You know, all these players are handling the pressure in different ways. We caught up with running back Mark Fletcher yesterday as well, and this guy has been through it the last year, from losing his father to helping lead the Canes to a national title, getting them back on the national stage. And it was just great to see the positive mentality he's taking to tomorrow's big game. Mark, how excited are you for all this? I mean, are you living in the moment a little bit?
Yeah, no, I'm definitely taking all this in, enjoying every single moment, staying off my phone as much as possible to just take this moment in. So now, extremely excited, extremely blessed.
I was going to ask because I talked to a couple of guys. They said the South Florida football group chats are blowing up. Everyone's saying it's going to be Indiana, it's going to be Miami. Are you hearing from a lot of your former teammates, whether it's Little League or high school?
Yeah, no, everybody's just extremely happy for me. Like, everybody that's seen, everything that I've been through personally, but not even me, but as a team, like, we have a lot of guys on this team who've been through a lot, who've been, written off, you could say, and none of us wrote back. We just stayed together, stayed glued, stayed tight, and we here now.
Last one for you. There's been a lot made about Fernando Mendoza, obviously a Heisman winner. How much of it is on the offense for you guys to keep him off the field?
Yeah, no, it's on us as much as it is on the defense. He's a Heisman for a reason. They're the #1 team for a reason, and man, we're just so excited for that challenge.
Mark, good talking to you, man.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
Good luck, brother.